Hello and thanks for watching. In this video you will learn about ectotherms and endotherms. The major groups of vertebrates, or organisms with backbones, differ in how they control body temperature. We use the words ectotherms and endotherms to describe these organisms. Ecto means outside, endo means inside, and therm means thermal or heat. So these words describe whether an animal's inside or outside controls its heat or thermal energy. Some vertebrates do not produce much internal heat. Therefore, their body temperature changes with the environment. To figure out what ectotherm means, let's start with the prefix ecto. The prefix ecto means outer, external, or outside. An ectotherm is an organism whose body temperature changes in response to environmental temperatures outside of its body. If their environment is warm, their bodies are warm. If their environment is cold, their bodies are cold. Their bodies also produce very little internal heat. Ectotherms are often referred to as cold-blooded animals. Amphibians, reptiles, and most fish are considered ectotherms. Think frogs, toads, snakes, lizards, alligators, newts, turtles, salamanders, and fish when you think of ectotherms. Other vertebrates control their internal heat and maintain a constant body temperature. These organisms are called endotherms and are often referred to as warm-blooded. The prefix endo means within, inside, or internal. So, an endotherm is an animal that controls the internal heat it produces and regulates its own temperature. An endotherm's body temperature is always fairly constant. The bodies of endotherms also produce a lot of their own internal heat as their bodies work hard. Endotherms have adaptations such as sweat glands, fur, and feathers for maintaining its body temperature. Humans, birds, and mammals are endotherms. We as humans maintain an internal body temperature of about 97 degrees to 99 degrees. Whether the environment you are in is very hot or very cold, it does not affect your internal body temperature. It always stays about the same. Even when your body is exercising and working really hard, your body temperature still doesn't get much higher than about 90 degrees because your body is constantly working to cool you off. The only time when our bodies get warmer than 99 degrees is when we're sick and have a fever, in which case your body is working hard to fight to make you better. The only time when our bodies might get colder than 97 degrees is if we get in a dangerous situation where we are outside for a long time in winter with no warm clothes, or if you fall into icy cold water and you experience hypothermia. Other than those extreme situations, our bodies are really good at keeping our body temperatures constant.